Hello students. Today morning KCET 2026 physics paper is done. And I know one thing for sure. Right now your biggest question is, did I mark the correct answer or not? So don't worry. In this video I am going to give you all the key answer of today's physics paper quickly and clearly. No lengthy explanation or nothing, just accurate answers to help you to estimate your score instantly. So let's get started. Keep your question paper ready. Let's match your answer one by one. So for first question, option is 1, and for second question, option is 3, and for third one, option is 4, for fifth one, option is 3, for fifth one, the option is 9 volts, and for sixth one, option is 2. Why? Because the net force acting on the dipole is 0. We will solve all the complete in detail solution video will be uploaded soon. If anyone requires, please comment down below. Okay. Next, seventh question, option 2, 20 volt. Eighth question, option 4, 6 amps, 4.5 amps and 1.5 amps. And the next one, ninth one, option 3, 3.1 into 10 to the power 18. Next, option 10, 4. For 10th one, option 4th. Next, 11th question, option is 2. For 12th one, option is 2. For 13th, option is 2. For 14th, option is 2. Next, coming up to the 15th, Biot law. So 15th one, option is same as 2. And for 16th one, option is 1. For 17th one, option is 1. Next, coming up to the 18th question. For 18th question, option is 3. For 19th question, option is 3. For 20th, option is 1. For 21st, option is 4. For 22nd, option is 3. For 23, option is 3. I hope you are keeping up with the phase. For next one, 24th, option is 1. For 25, option is 2. For 26, option is 1. Next, 27. For 27, option is 3. For 28, option is 2. For 29, option is 4. For 30, option is 3. For 31st, option is 3. For 32, option is 1. For 33, option is 2. Next, coming up to the 34th question. For 34th question, option is 3. And for 35, option is 1. For 36, option is 3. And for 37, option is 2. Next, coming up to the 38. For 38, option is 4. For 39, option is 3. For 40, option is 2. For 41, option is 2. For 42, option is 2. Next, coming up to the 43. 43 option is 2. 44 option is 3. 45th option is 4. Next, coming up to the 46. For 46, option is 3. For 47, option is 2. For 48, option is 4. For 49, option is 4. For 50, option is 1. For 51, option is 3. For 52, option is 4. For 53, option is 2. For 54, option is 4. For 55, option is 3. For 56, option is 2. For 57, option is 4. For 58, option is 4. For 59, option is 2. For 60, for the final answer, option is 4. So these are the keys for the KCET 2026 physics morning session. If you want complete detailed solution with step-by-step explanation, let me know in the comments. Based on your response, I will upload full solid paper video where every question will be explained in a easy way. And yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe JDK Institution for more helpful video. Let's learn together. Thank you.